Hello everyone, happy St. Patrick's Day, and today I created the look that incorporates a green eyeshadow. Yes, green eyeshadow. So this is the green that I used for this look, but many other stuff as well that I use. So don't think that you need exactly the same green pigment, not at all. Whatever pigment you have or even shadow, the most important part that I incorporate this right in the center. And what's really cool about the green that actually makes every single eye color pop. So if you have like a darker eyes, so it's really gonna bring the gold in your eyes. If you have blue eyes like me, then definitely it's gonna be like, whoa, blue eyes. Or if you have green eyes, why not? You know, as long as you have a nice contour around it like I did. And then I just incorporated with fake lashes, and I did not do barely any contour. I just literally I just put the cream blush, and I use exactly the same color on my lips. And this is a Clean Beauty cream blush, which is so good. I love this color. It's called Pink Peony Pink. So all the links, most of the links that I use in this tutorial is going to be down below. And you can go and purchase it. But it's such a pretty look. I really hope you enjoy it. So if you want to learn this look, then definitely just keep on watching. And happy St. Patrick's Day. Stay healthy, stay safe, wash your hands, right? But anyway, I'm super excited to share this with each and every one of you. Please comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'm gonna be creating more and more awesome content for you guys. So bye.
Hello. So as usual, per usual, I do the eye primer, and then what I recommend is actually to use any setting powder. And the one that I'm using is number 2 by Charlotte Tilbury. And this one is a bronzer. Just take any bronzer, just absolutely any, it doesn't really matter. This one is by Galactic and in Cabo. One of my favorites is like a nice neutral color that I use for, as you can see, it's really, really loved. And I just create a really nice windshield motions around. And then I take any dark eyeshadow, and with a brush that it's a little bit like skinny, so I create like this V shade, kind of like, do you see it? And then again I take Cabo and blend it out. Then you just take any green pigment, absolutely any, doesn't really matter, it could be a shadow, this is just a pigment, and I just tap it in, because don't forget it's St. Patrick's Day and green is ruling right now. So, and just keep on playing and applying it. And don't forget, you want to reapply your dark shadow. It could be black, it doesn't really matter, but I like with a little bit of kind of like a brownish. And then I add exactly the same color, a little bit under, but only to the iris, not any other, like don't go too much inside. And I definitely want to make sure we put a little bit brighter in a corner so we don't look too dark. And then you take the Cabo again and you tie the whole look together. Yep, that's the color, that brightening. It could be any. I will put in description below the one that I like. Do you see how it just like nicely brighten up the color? And you always want to do both sides, especially when you use lighter colors, because it really helps you. And then I take my favorite Bioderma cleansing water and on the Q-tip and clean everything under, because that would really help you to just to clean the look. And I just apply eyelashes, and